Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and today we've got a 20-volt Black & Decker weed eater, and this thing is absolutely amazing. Now let me tell you, when we're looking at power, you're not gonna beat it. I've literally had this one for 2 or 3 years, and I do product reviews for a living, so when I find a good product, I hold on to it and I use it for a while. Now a nice thing about the Black & Decker power tools is this 20-volt lithium ion battery. It's 1.4 amp and it is interchangeable with practically all of my power tools. So if you watch this channel, you're going to see me talking about a bunch of different power tools from Black & Decker because I own them all. I can give the reviews and tell you all about them. Easy to replace out the thread. Just pop this off, put in a new spool, run it through, and you're good to go. And also this is reversible. So if you're doing the lawn, flip it over, and you can do the edging, and it has a wheel right here to where you can do edging very easily. So a fantastic trimmer. This thing's gonna get everything you need, and it's gonna make a real difference. Now obviously you're gonna wanna do the grass and not your shrubs, but this thing is super powerful, and it is indeed fantastic. Also, it has 2 power modes, and I usually keep it on 2 to keep it super powerful, but if you want to increase that runtime, switch it over to 1. The handle is also important to a lot of buyers. I'm going to show you that up close, but it's easy to lock, and it doesn't make your hand ache when you're using it for too long. Also, the overall weight on this thing is not that bad. You know, if you're carrying a power tool for a while, weight makes a difference, and the fact that I can hold this out, balance it a little bit, but I can hold it out and it is not heavy at all. So you're gonna wanna pick one up today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. It comes to us from Black & Decker, and frankly, the price is amazing. If you have a old gas string trimmer and it takes forever to start, electric is the way to go, and with the batteries how they are, this thing will get, you can definitely do your entire lawn on one battery and switch to another power tool and do something else with it. So no issues there. Get a couple batteries because they all come with the different power tools. I keep 2 or 3 charged, and I've never had any issues with the power running out. So order today, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.